Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do our first garden vlog and we're going to harvest some palak leaves. Let's go.
This palak we planted from last year seeds. Like you can see, the green seeds are coming. End of the season, we will get more of the plants like this kind of seeds. We will collect all the seeds and dry in the sunlight and clean it, and we will save for next year. We used that kind of seeds and we got this much palak.
In this video, we are going to be doing something with these fresh greens.
You can see we plucked palak from our garden. We are going to use for cooking today. Using palak we can make many dishes. Palak idli, palak puri, palak chapati and palak pulao or palak pakoda, anything we can make it. These greens have many nutrition values, so try to include in our food. Now let's move to our kitchen.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, after plucking fresh palak from our garden, my mom made this healthy and yummy Palak Pakoda. You want to know how to make it? Let's go!
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Using the fresh palak leaves, I am going to make palak pakoda. The ingredients we need: palak leaves around 1 cup, half cup chickpeas flour or besan, 1/4 cup rice flour. This rice flour makes our pakoda more crispy. Required amount of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain powder, it's good for digestion. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, required amount of salt and oil for deep fry. These are the ingredients we need. Before preparing the batter, let's heat our oil in a low flame. Take the mixing bowl. We are going to add all the ingredients. Besan, rice flour and ajwain and required amount of red chili powder and required amount of salt. Mix well. Add water and make as a thick batter. Don't add too much water. Now you can see the batter is ready. It's not very watery. This kind of thick consistency we need. Then only the palak leaves coated well with batter. At the end we are going to add pinch of baking soda. If you add too much, then the palak leaves will absorb more oil. So add just pinches enough and mix well. Now the batter is ready. Meanwhile, the oil got heated. Let's take our palak leaves and coat well with batter. And gently drop it in the oil. Same way, we are going to take another leaf. Put in oil. Don't overcrowd. Now turn to other side and cook until it gets golden brown. Now it's ready. We'll take it out and our palak pakoda is ready. The same way I'm going to make all the palak. Now I fried all of the palak leaves and bhaji is ready. See how nice, colorful and some crispiness. Now our palak pakoda is ready. You can enjoy with your favorite sauce as a evening snack.
Thank you for watching, and if you like it, make sure you smash that like button and share with your friends so they can enjoy this Palak Pakoda as well. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we make a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!